So, Sophie, bear with me because I want to say the next bit. Sophie and I actually crossed paths a year before we actually met. So we had our first date in March 2017. We were in Clapham, we were in a bar, bonded over our love of food, drink, music, and we were talking about our history, and we realised that we both went travelling a year earlier in Thailand. And that's not uncommon for two 20-somethings to be travelling in Thailand. But we thought, you know what, let's look through some pictures and see a year previous, were we in the same place at the same time? And to our surprise, there actually was a picture of Sophie, and in the background is someone in the same group that I'm with. So it's very likely that a year before Sophie and I went on our first date and met for the first time, we were probably in a bar, only to meet a year later. Sophie, I promise to give you my love and my friendship, and to be there for you when you need me most. I promise to respect you and be faithful always. These promises I make to you for the rest of my life.
Matthew, I promise to give you my love and friendship, and to be there for you when you need me most. I promise to respect you and be faithful always. These promises I make to you for the rest of my life.
So after that first date with Sophie, Kieran and I, we used to text each other, and I've got it written down word for word what I said the next day to Kieran. And I said, I had that date last night. Kieran said, how was it? Are you going to have a second date? I said, yeah, such a different feeling after this date. Oops. And I said oops, and this is the cheesiest thing you could ever say, but I genuinely thought that I'd found the person I wanted to spend the rest of my life with. Sophie, I tell you, you look beautiful every day. And today, you're absolutely incredible.